In Norwell Stress and Specialized Mechanical, we're here to provide the support and expertise in areas that perhaps our clients don't always face on a regular basis. Industrial projects can be challenging enough when you're performing tasks that you do on a frequent basis, but those challenges are compounded when you introduce scope such as pipe cold cutting that you don't frequently do or perhaps have never had to do. That's where we come in. These niche areas is what we do day in and day out. We work with you to ensure that collectively we've got all our bases covered. We have the knowledge, the skills, and the equipment to do the job safely and efficiently. We can leverage our service lines to bring even more efficiencies. For example, one crew of ours can come to site, perform a cold cut, and bevel your pipe, then hydrogen bake out the pipe in advance of the welding, and then perform the hydro test using a test flange once the welding is complete. You've now reduced the crew count from as many as 3 down to 1, maximizing efficiencies and costs. This is the Norwell difference, and why when you call Norwell Stress and Specialized Mechanical, we're there to do it right the first time and on time, making your project a success.